Are you wondering what's going on with the Almaden market? Have you noticed home sitting? Do you want to look at the actual stats and trends to know what's really going on and help you make the right decision for you? Stay tuned as I cover all that information. Hi, I'm Theresa Wellman with homeownerexperience.com, a local San Jose, California realtor. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button for future videos. I post one every Tuesday, and you hit that bell, you'll get notified. Now let's get right into the data. Okay, so here we are at the Almaden Real Estate Market for single family homes. And this is our chart of sales and inventory and prices. So let's dig into this a little bit. If we look at the yellow line from winter to a peak in the summer down to the fall, this is from 2015 all the way through September 2019. So we've got 4 full cycles here and almost a 5th completed with 2019. And as you can see, the inventory peaked in July at 59 homes and has started to decrease for seasonal reasons, I'm sure. And the sales in Almaden were actually pretty steady the last couple months, a little early for the sales to be down. And as you can see, our summer peak sales were quite a bit lower than what we typically see in Almaden as well. And I would say that's because Almaden's kind of going through a little bit of adjustment, and I will get into that some more. Let's look here at the prices. We had an average price in September of $1,514,830. Let's jump on over to my website to look at some more stats. So as you can see in Almaden, the days of inventory is 69. That's actually down a little bit from the previous month, but that's a pretty high number. If we're getting to close to 90, the sellers are definitely losing their negotiation power, and we're heading into a buyer's market. And I've definitely sensed that. It kind of depends on your property and the condition of your property today. The average sales price to list price ratio was just a little bit under asking price. The news that I want to share that isn't really shown on here is there's currently 51 homes on the market now this first week of October. And of those homes, the average days on market is 67.5. So you see here it says 24, but those are the ones that were sold in September. My point is there's a lot of houses sitting on the market for a really long time that are pretty stale inventory. And of those 51 homes currently on the market, 53% of them have had a price adjustment already. So the Almaden market is definitely adjusting. I would say sellers have not really taken note of the softened prices or the condition that homes should be in order to sell. So there is a big disparity in the Almaden market, and that's why the homes that are selling are still selling pretty quickly, but there are a lot of homes out there sitting, and you may have noticed that driving around. At the very top here, I'm going to talk about interest rates and unemployment. So as you can see, interest rates have continued to drop throughout 2019. As we hit January right about here, it was about 4.45%, and today 3.65%, though you're paying a little bit of points you see there. Still very attractive rates with softened prices makes it a great time for buyers to get into the market. Unemployment rate in Santa Clara County is still extremely low, 2.6% unemployment. Great economy locally, good jobs, people are making money. Interest rates are really low, making it affordable. Prices have actually softened, as we saw on the charts here as well. So it's a great time for buyers to jump in. I'm just going to tell you that buyers are being a little picky on the condition of the property. So sellers, please take time to prepare your property. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any further questions about the market or what's going on in Almaden or when's the right time for you to buy or sell in this local area, please make a comment below or feel free to reach out to me.